Aave is expected to grow 5.9% by tomorrow, Gov Capital Collector shows. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. As of this moment, Aave is down 4.1% in 24 hours and is close to $91.60. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. By July 26, Gov Capital Collector says we might see $97.01, which reflects a gain of about 5.9%. Aave is projected to move up toward $94.75 per CoinLore, an expected increase of 3.4%. Traders Union points out it could head higher to $92.81, about 1.3% above now. Another analysis from 30 Rates notes Aave could head toward $88.87, a decline close to 3%. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions believes the price may slide to $61.30 by tomorrow, down by 33.1%. This is the top earning forecast we've seen. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. Summing up the forecasts from all analysts, here's what we've got. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a drop of 33.1% to a gain of 5.9% depending on the analyst. All in all, Crypto Predictions delivers the highest projected return with 33.1% gain in value by tomorrow. That means you could earn between $13 and $331 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, Traders Union's forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with an 87.3% chance of success. With the forecasts combined, I've built an overall consensus outlook. The combined outlook positions Aave around $86.95. Let's walk through the details. The consensus trend signals a 5.1% decline by tomorrow. Put another way, your capital may also advance by 5.1% in line with that forecast. A 1000 scenario could reflect a possible gain of $51, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 50.6%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. Gov Capital Collector signals the price is following an ascending path. Likewise, CoinLore expects the chart to lean bullish over this horizon. Similarly, Traders Union projects continued upside pressure. Also, 30 Rates indicates a positive trajectory in the short run. Crypto Predictions expects downward momentum to persist. Consensus estimates reflect Aave under pressure, with prices expected to fall during the 3-day period. Looking at the full set of forecasts, most suggest Aave will push higher. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. Ultimately, yesterday's final number was $93.13. 3 out of 5 analysts matched the actual market direction. The most exact forecast belonged to CoinDataFlow. Let's move on to the breakdown. 3 predictions matched the span of the daily candle. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 2.6%. Let's switch to the summary table. It brings all results into one clear view. Gov Capital Collector's forecast probability stood at 87.5%, with accuracy and 1.5% ROI. Take a moment to notice who stayed most in sync with the market. And now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns for Aave and a small group of other coins. Among tomorrow's forecasts, the asset in focus is ahead with 5.1% profitability. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and a fuller comparison across many cryptocurrencies is already on my website. If you found this look at multiple analysts insightful, hit like and subscribe for the next review. Catch you in tomorrow's forecast batch.